construction of the processing factory in Kwebanna began in December 2018 at a cost of $10 million. An additional $60 million has been allocated this year for equipping the facility. Tushaw of Kwebanna and Vice Chairman of the National Tushaws Council, Paul Peer, explained that the project was initiated by the Ministry of Indigenous Peoples Affairs after consultations with the residents.
This would not be a benefit only to this community, but actually the entire Muruka sub-region, Mabruma, and as far as Port Kaituma, Machushu, and the other areas.
Chairman of the cassava processing factory explained that studies were carried out on the sweet cassava before deciding on the project.
We never had this kind of opportunity from before. It was the very first time. From the beginning, I really started when the minister come in. She keep a meeting with me that was 2 years ago, and she mentioned about tomato things at region 8 or 9. Good. Now, when she come up with this cassava, it's just what you want. I'm waiting for this. I invent on the sweet cassava. I carry out a study on it, right? And it works good. It comes to good flour and it stays some months, right? Even without sealing.
The project has already created employment for many villagers who supplied most of the materials being used, with additional persons working on the actual construction. In addition to the over 30 farmers who will directly benefit from the project, residents from surrounding areas including Santa Cruz, Barama, and Manawarin will also cash in. Once completed, the community will be seeking markets through the school's hot meal programs and the 3 dormitories in the sub-districts Mabruma, Maruka, and Matukai. Seneca Thorne, InfoHub.